Now, the political face-off continues after the BJP says this is confession by Raghuram Rajan. The Congress party has dubbed the charge as inaccurate. Listen in.
I don't know what he is saying is correct. And who doesn't know that about 16 lakhs bank loan has been waived off. And banks have been robbed by huge period. Mr. Modi period and Mehul Choksky and ABG Group, Dhoot Group, and Malya and all, they have looted the bank. I don't think that what he is saying is correct.
My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, Raghuram Rajan was also seen walking with Rahul Gandhi during the Bharat Jodo Yatra, now coming out with scathing criticism for the UPA.
Well, that's right. See, in several occasions, former RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan, in fact, have criticized the central government and was seen sharing the same stage with Mr. Rahul Gandhi when he decided to walk along with him during the Bharat Jodo Yatra. Now, at the time when Mr. Raghuram Rajan was criticizing the central government, it was the Congress party which were continuously maintaining that under the central government, the economy has been suffering, how the youth of the country have not been getting jobs. Now, when the same person has criticized the former UPA government, stating that under the UPA government, because of the corruption was the main reason for the non-performing assets in bank. Now, he also simultaneously praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government, and in fact, he detailed out his conversation with former Union Minister Arun Jaitley.
And he made that contrast as well, and what could be all the more embarrassing for the Congress party. Sabyasachi, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those details. The Prime Minister's visuals from Kuwait